In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily customize fonts in Framer, adding that personal touch to your design projects. First things first, let's open Framer. If you haven't used Framer before, it's a fantastic tool for designers looking to create interactive designs and prototypes. Once you have Framer open, the next step is to prepare your project. Make sure you've set up the page or design where you want to apply your custom font. Organization right from the beginning will save you time and keep your design process smooth and efficient. Now focus your attention on the right side of the Framer interface. There, you'll notice a section dedicated to fonts. Go ahead and click on it. This section allows you to explore various font options, but today, let's delve into how we can extend these options beyond the standard choices. You'll see an arrow next to the font choices. Click on that arrow to open up more possibilities. You'll want to select the Custom option. Choosing Custom will enable you the freedom to incorporate fonts that best fit your project's unique style and branding needs. Within this section at the bottom, you'll notice an Upload option. This is where the magic happens. But before we upload, we need to download the font of our choice. To do this, let's head over to fonts.google.com. This is a fantastic resource for free, high-quality fonts. Whether you're looking for something bold, simple, whimsical, or professional, Google Fonts has a vast selection that can cater to your needs. Once you're on the site, take your time to explore and select a font that strikes your fancy. The interface is user-friendly and allows you to preview text in different styles to help you make an informed choice. After selecting your preferred font, you'll want to click the button labeled Get Font, which will typically offer you the option to download all associated files. This ensures that you have the complete font family at your disposal, allowing for consistency throughout different elements of your project. Once your download is complete, it's time to return to Framer. This is where you'll put into use the Upload option we pointed out earlier. Simply upload the font you've just downloaded. Framer will process the file, and once it's uploaded, you'll be able to see and apply it to your project immediately. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to enhance your Framer project with customized fonts. This small change can make a significant impact on the overall aesthetic and convey the right tone for your audience. It's these little personal touches that can bring your design to life and make your work stand out. Thanks for following along, and happy designing.